I will be showing you how to send the Sol from the Trust wallet to the Binance. For that, the process is very simple. So first thing is you need to go to the wallet section, and in the wallet section go to the deposit button. So once you go to the deposit, all you have to do is to select the currency that you want to get deposited. So for example, I want to deposit Solana, so I will search Solana in here. So here you will see the Solana. Choose the network, that could be B2B, BNB, Smart Chain, or the Solana. So just go with the Solana. For me it's gonna be Solana, so just copy the deposit address and make sure that you go to the Trust wallet now. So once you go to the Trust wallet, all you have to do is to go to your Solana coin, and once you go to the Solana coin, make sure you go to the send button, and in the send option just type in this address. So once you do it, your Solana will be transferred to the Binance wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.